Welcome to another video from explainingthefuture.com. This time I'm at the 3D print show in London to see what's happening in the world of 3D printing. Walking around this show today, you can literally see the birth of a revolution. This show isn't about any particular technology, new entrant or new application, but it's showing how so many companies and so many innovators are now working to make 3D printing the next thing that can transform our lives. Walking around this show, I'm reminded of what it was like to walk around a PC show that I attended in 1987. At that time, personal computers really were only just starting to take hold. They clearly hadn't transformed the world, but you could see that the foundation had been laid. And it's the same here today with 3D printing. There aren't 3D printers in existence yet that can enable easy manufacturing in the home or things to be printed on demand. But you can see that in 5 to 10 years' time, that sort of technology is going to be possible. But now that's it for another video, and I hope to talk to you again very soon.